This is Beta. Beta is a simplified menu to organize different features based on the user's location. So the only location features I was able to get really working for the purpose of the demonstration were the fishing regulations. So being in the city that I'm in now, when I click on regulations, it loads a list of different fish, and when I click on trout, it loads the regulations for trout here. But if I were in a different city, it would display them differently there. That wasn't too hard. That was just done with a service called Geoliffy. Where is it? Right there. Um, Obviously, I'd like to do like a raw geofence and make that more functional in the future. Um, This fish finder feature was something that I really wanted to get working. It's based off of a GitHub repository from a team at EerieHack last year. It's a machine learning fish identification application. Forked the repo, got it running on a Ubuntu VM on Hyper-V, set up a Amazon EC2 dependency, and it was working earlier, but now when I click the link, it gives me that. So there's something wrong with the web server, and I am too tired to figure out what it is. And it's 11:43, so I probably won't even have time to upload this. The other items are just kind of options for what could be displayed in a menu. Like I was on the team that won EerieHack last year, and our hack was a E. coli sensor that measures water temperature. So conceivably, you could take the data from a sensor like that and plug it into a simple menu item that automatically determines whether or not the beach is open or closed and shows people what the temperature of the beach is. Reporting tool. There are a bunch of different reporting tools that no one really uses because they're not organized very well, and the interface for each of them is really bad. I was thinking I would try to rebuild the interfaces and converge them into this web app, but didn't really get around to that. This Rare Bird one is just like a PDF that you can download to submit. And then this is a mapping tool that one of the other teams in our fish hackathon created, which basic mapping tool, but they're pretty handy. We could figure out some kind of use for it. That's really about it. So basic HTML, CSS, got it running in Ionic, so it gives me native Android and iOS applications, and that's it.